Tudo bom?
Beatriz.
Beatriz, Alphonse.
Feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
Hello guys, we are today at Rio de Janeiro, here in Brazil. Guys, this is a huge seaside city in Brazil. Guys, enjoy the video. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.
How are you? How are you?
Vitória.
What are you saying? Olá?
Olá.
Olá. Fala francês?
Não.
Português? English? English. Born in Brazil, raised in Brazil. Right?
Vive Brasil?
Video.
Ai, eu tô me vendo. E
Video,
aí,
yes.
tudo bem?
Muito bom.
Muito bom. Pode pegar aí, meu amor.
You see? Brazil is blessed.
Você, meu amor.
Vida? Vida?
Negra em pó.
Oh, what's the meaning?
Black Lives Matter.
Black?
Black Lives Matter.
Wow. Maybe I'm gonna put tattoo.
Sentiu, né, nega?
Caipirinha.
Caipirinha.
You want a Brazilian drink?
I don't know. I will
Yeah,
test
try.
it. I will test it later.
Yeah, come
Yeah.
here later.
You,
Walk around.
you make me
come
drink?
later.
You make me drink?
Gin.
Know me?
Vitória.
Victoria. Oh, Alfonso.
Afonso.
Alfonso. Can you open for me?
How are you today?
I'm great in yourself.
I'm very good.
Yeah,
I'm alive, you know.
I'm
One
getting
more day.
something good. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Everything's okay.
How is Brazil? How is Rio de Janeiro?
It's like this, you know.
Yeah?
It's good.
It took me the whole day to see somebody who can speak English.
All right.
Yeah.
If you want to speak English, come with me. I'm right here all
I
day.
can see. I wish you could tell me a little bit about Rio de Janeiro. What is good in Rio de Janeiro?
You can stay on the beach, sit in the chair.
Yeah.
Or
But I
you
have
can
realized
walk.
that there's a lot of women around.
Huh?
There's a lot of chick around.
Yeah.
Beautiful one.
Right here. Hasta. sometimes people left the beach like 10 o'clock.
So you advise me to come here at 7.
Yeah, you can come. You gotta see it. A lot of people on the beach.
Which other beach is close here?
Ipanema.
Ipanema.
This is Copacabana.
Yeah.
Around there,
Yeah.
the Copacabana finish over there,
Yeah.
and then you make a right.
Yes.
You gotta go to Ipanema
Panema.
and Leblon.
After Panema, there's another one.
Yeah, Leblon. It's close.
So how do I get there? Is it a taxi or should I can I walk there?
You can walk.
Okay, meaning that if I walk here, when I finish this one, another beach will start.
Yes.
Oh.
Or you can rent like the bicycle.
The bicycle.
Or this.
Okay.
You can rent. Put it right there.
How much is it?
Be honest with you, I don't know.
You don't know. If I walk from this end to the other end,
6 miles.
and then I will go to another. I will go to
Yeah.
another beach.
Another beach.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah,
And
you
what's your
have
name?
all the- Paulo.
Paolo.
Yes.
I'm happy to see you. I will come back to you so that I will get some
Alright,
information.
alright. It's not a problem.
Thank you
can come
for-
here. I'm here.
Thank-
I'm here every single day.
The place of
Deixa eu fazer onde é de ver.
She's drinking. Look. Beautiful. Oh,
Tá falando que você é muito bonita.
beautiful.
Obrigada.
Wow. Huh?
Dia, né? Irei beber novamente. O dia que tá lá. Na rua foi uma. Na rua foi uma.
Dia, né? Achei que Rio de Janeiro.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.